Well, gas prices are hitting another record high. Can you believe this? $4.33 for a gallon of gas. And it's having some people asking themselves, are there different ways that I can get around so I don't have to drive my car? Things like biking, carpooling, and taking a public bus. Few ideas that come to mind. And our Tristan Lewis takes a look now at how Valley Regional Transit is being impacted by soaring gas prices. And Tristan, are they paying a big chunk of the change? Is this going to cost them a lot?
Yeah, Joe, Valley Regional Transit fleet of buses are at almost 100% natural gas, and those prices haven't spiked as high as gasoline prices. The transit company is also moving their fleet to all-electric vehicles, with several already in service. So no huge impacts on their end because of high gas prices, but with the last few years seeing a decrease in ridership due to the pandemic, leaders at VRT hope this could mean an increase for their ridership. It's too early to tell what ridership for Valley Regional Transit will look like as gas prices continue to stay high. But spokesperson Mark Carnopis says the transit company is seeing a slight uptick in help desk calls.
The percentage of those calls being people saying, tired of high gas prices, what kind of services do you have? So we expect those numbers to grow.
That confidence from Carnopis comes from past history, when gas prices spiked across the country.
There is a direct parallel between rising gas prices and our ridership.
Carnopis has been with the transit company for 19 years. He says in 2008, when gas was topping $4 a gallon, VRT got a lot of inquiries and saw a 15% jump in ridership within cities and nearly a 25% increase for inter-county travel.
People were just, at that time, they were just tired of seeing these gas prices. We were able to accommodate in many of them. It's like I said, especially in the inter-county service, because that provides longer length travel.
But this time around is different because of the COVID-19 pandemic. At VRT's lowest, ridership was down 40% from 2019's 1.2 million rides.
We're slowly getting those numbers back. It hasn't been a meteoric climb. It's been very stable and steady and everything else.
Even with gas prices soaring, Carnopis says there could be potential to see ridership back at pre-COVID levels. But because of how many people are no longer traveling to the office every day, it's again too hard to tell.
It's a whole new business environment out there. We don't know how many people are still working from home or will continue to work from home.
And just an FYI, if you are looking to start riding the bus, the federal government mandates riders must wear a face covering when riding the bus and when inside a Valley Regional Transit facility. The only exception is for those under the age of 2. Joe?
Well, Tristan, people have to get creative with the skyrocketing gas prices. Thank you so much for the report.